Hello students. Now in this chemical bonding chapter there are some questions and their answer. We solve these questions and answers. Now give the electron dot structure of following example. Now first one is NaCl. First write down atomic number of sodium 11, its electronic configuration 2, 8, 1. Then chlorine atomic number 17, its electronic configuration 2, 8, 7. Then sodium, its one electron give to chlorine, and this is the structure of NaCl. This is structure of NaCl. Na give 1 electron, Cl having total 7 electron. Total 7 electron. To complete octet, this is the structure of electron dot structure of NaCl. Next MgCl2. Mg atomic number 12, electronic configuration 2, 8, 2, sharing up 2 electrons with chlorine. This Mg plus 2 and Cl. There are 2 Cl and minus. There it is a structure of sharing with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Total number of 8. Clear? It is a structure of MgCl2, electron dot structure. Same like structure calcium oxide. Calcium atomic number 20, its electronic configuration 2, 8, 8, 2. This sharing to give 2 electron to oxygen, and oxygen complete octet, inert gas configuration. Then calcium, structure of calcium. Next Cl2 having formation of covalent bond, mutual sharing of electron between the same element Cl and another Cl. Total 7 valence electron. Another chlorine having 7 dot. Sharing of 1 electron with another Cl and formation of octet. Same like another example also. Same another chlorine also, and formation of Cl single bond Cl. Water also covalent compound. This is the structure of water molecules. In the sharing of oxygen with 2 hydrogen, oxygen atomic number 8. Therefore total 6 valence electron. Its electronic configuration 2, 6. It required 2 electron complete octet. Sharing with 2 hydrogen give 1 electron. In water having 2 bond pair and 2 lone pair. Now total 6 valence electron. Now dot cross structure of water molecules. This is a water structure dot and cross. Write down oxygen in the form of dot and hydrogen in the form of cross. This is a dot cross structure of water molecules. Then water dot and cross to form a single bond. There are 2 total 4 electrons. These 4 electrons are unshared, then it is known as a 2 lone pair. Next example, ammonia. Next example, ammonia. Example of ammonia. First draw total atomic number 7, therefore total valence electron 2, 5 electronic configuration, therefore 5 valence electron of nitrogen, sharing with total 3 hydrogen, which is in the form of cross. Hydrogen give 1 electron. This is a electron dot structure of ammonia, 1 lone pair and 3 bond pair. Structure of ammonia. Ammonia having presence of covalent bond. Now coordinate covalent bond. Structure of water. Water give 1 lone pair with hydrogen, proton, H plus ion, and formation of hydronium ion. It is a example of coordinate covalent bond, H3O plus. This is structure of hydronium ion, and hydronium ion having positive charge. There are total valence electron, total 8 valence electron. Hydronium ion, it is example of coordinate covalent bond. Coordinate bond. Same kind of another example, ammonia having 1 lone pair, react with hydrogen H plus ion, then formation of NH4 plus. It is example of coordinate covalent bond, NH4 plus. Then draw the structure of electron dot structure. This is the electron dot structure, and another hydronium ion electron dot structure. Draw this. Now next, this is structure of electron dot structure of CH4 molecule. Carbon, atomic number 6, its valence electron total 4, and sharing with 4 hydrogen. Hydrogen give 1 electron. This is structure of CH4 molecule. There are total 4 sigma bond present. Dot and cross structure of CH4 molecule. This is example coordinate covalent bond. Already we discussed this coordinate covalent bond having both the character of properties of covalent bond with ionic bond, NH4 plus. Students, draw this arrow. It should be required in paper answer sheet. Write down this way, hydronium ion and ammonium ion. Now next question, type of bonding present in the following molecule. First, water having covalent bond. There are mutual sharing of electron between oxygen and hydrogen. Next example, calcium oxide. Calcium oxide, it is example of ionic bond. Calcium, it is a metal with non-metal oxygen. There are strong electrostatic force of attraction between calcium and oxygen, and there are large electronegativity difference. Therefore, it is example of electrovalent bond. Electrovalent bond also known as a ionic bond. Now hydroxyl ion, OH minus ion. It is example polar covalent bond. Polar means positive pole and negative pole. Therefore, it is OH minus ion. It is example of polar covalent bond. Next, methane molecule. Methane molecule, it is example of covalent bond. We already discussed. Ammonium ion. Ammonium ion means NH4 plus. It is an example of coordinate covalent bond. Next, last example, ammonium chloride, NH4Cl. NH4Cl having three types of bonding present. First one is covalent, second one is ionic, and third is coordinate covalent bond. All three character present in ammonium chloride, NH4Cl. Now students, characteristics of ionic compound. It is usually in a solid crystallines, then high melting point, boiling point. It is a good conductor of heat and electricity when it is a fused or in a liquid state in aqueous medium. Then next, covalent solid. It is in the present in the liquid, solid, or it more in a gases. It is a low melting point and boiling point. Next, it is a bad conductor of or non-conductor of heat and electricity, and it is insoluble in water. Now these questions, bond is formed by the share of electron. Each bonding atom contributes one electron to the pair. Then formation of कोवैलेंट बॉन्ड, इसमें शेयरिंग ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन होता है. और दूसरा क्वेश्चन क्या है, इसमें भी शेयरिंग ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन विथ बोथ इलेक्ट्रॉन कमिंग विथ फ्रॉम द सेम एटम. तो इसमें क्या आते हैं, लोन पेयर्स आ सकते हैं. तो एक इसका एग्जांपल आ गया कोऑर्डिनेट बॉन्ड, कोवैलेंट बॉन्ड, कोऑर्डिनेट बॉन्ड. और ऊपर दिया है कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोवैलेंट बॉन्ड. ऑलरेडी डिस्कस किया है, जो आयनिक बॉन्ड है उसे बोलते हैं इलेक्ट्रोवैलेंट बॉन्ड. तो क्या आएंगे, हाई मेल्टिंग पॉइंट, गुड कंडक्टर ऑफ हीट एंड इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इन अ मोल्टन और फ्यूज स्टेट. और क्या बोल सकते हैं इसमें, इट इज़ अ डिजॉल्व इन वाटर, हाईली सोल्यूबल इन वाटर. देखो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन स्टूडेंट्स, वाई मोल्टन NaCl it is a good conductor of heat and electricity but CCl4 is not. When in a molten state NaCl it produce Na plus ion and Cl minus ion, they are free to move, hence it is a good conductor of electricity. But in CCl4 they do not contain any charged particles, therefore they do not produce ions, therefore it is a bad conductor of or non-conductor of electricity. Next question, why covalent compound are liquid or gases? Because in covalent compound having, they are held together by weak van der Waals force. Therefore in the molecules having less attraction present, therefore they are present in a gaseous state or it may be present in a liquid state, or they are generally in the form of liquid or gases because weak van der Waals force. Therefore they are having low also boiling point and melting point. They are having low melting point and boiling point because they are needed less amount of energy to break the bond, therefore they are having low melting point and boiling point. Why HCl it is an example of polar covalent compound. Now ionic compound having required positive pole and negative poles means metal with non-metal, but covalent compound having metal with non-metal with non-metal also, their formation of because they are sharing of electron. But in HCl it is a non-metal, Cl also non-metal, hydrogen also non-metal. They are a formation of only covalent bond, but hydrogen electronegativity 2.2 and chlorine 3.0. There are small difference in this electronegativity, but hydrogen having electropositive character and chlorine having electronegative character. Therefore, this HCl, it is example of polar covalent bond. It is example of polar covalent bond because they hydrogen electronegativity 2.2 and chlorine is 3.0. Therefore, chlorine having high electronegativity than hydrogen. There chlorine having electronegative character and hydrogen having electropositive character, sharing of their electron with each other and formation of covalent bond, but it is example of polar covalent bond.